So I wasn't even going to go to Hobby Lobby today, but I'm on my way. There's a few things I forgot to get for myself when I was there recording last time. So I'm gonna go ahead that way now and maybe get a sneak peek at the Christmas stuff. Okay guys, I did plan to come to Hobby Lobby to get a sneak peek of the Christmas decor, but I did not know that they had all this out already. And I did not know that it was already 50% off. So, you know, now's a great time to get out and get shopping because they are not even fully stocked yet. They're still putting new products out, and we don't even have, in our store, we don't even have all of the aisles filled up completely. So there's still more product that's coming out. So I'm only going to record just what they have set up so far. But even that's already 50% off. So this is a great time to go shopping. Look at all of these colors, all these bulbs. Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought that I knew what color I wanted for my tree, but I'm not even sure anymore. You know, they have so many new options, like these black bulbs here, these large ones. I don't recall those from last year. Now these I definitely remember, the pink and the mauve tones and the mocha. I remember those from last year. And also like this pearlescent color with the whites. Those are very pretty, the white cream. Very, very pretty. I'm more of a traditional red and green kind of person, but I can be persuaded. And look at these garlands and these wreaths. Oh my goodness. Now this video, I'm not gonna have a lot of the prices for you because I wasn't planning to do all this today, but I just had to share when I saw that everything was already 50% off. But I did see the prices on some of these wreaths. Some of them were like $149 regular price, some were $89 regular price. And then of course, you're gonna take the 50% off of that. But they have some beautiful options. The garlands and the wreaths, they have the garlands to match the wreaths. They have those available too. So if you want to kind of do a matchy-matchy, you can do that as well. And then they have the plain ones, the plain wreaths. If you want to just buy a plain one, just the green and decorate it yourself, you can do that as well. And so I do remember some of these items from the hot cocoa section from last year. They are back and very popular. I do remember a lot of these. And gingerbread was really popular last year too. So I see they're still having quite a bit of the gingerbread in their collection. Yeah, like these here. I remember them from last year too. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they're already out. This is August. And it's 50% off. Oh, that's even better. Cute little Santa here, making his gingerbread. I may come back and get a couple more of the hot cocoa signs. Oh, these are so cute. Look at this. So this is the red aisle. You know, Hobby Lobby likes to categorize a lot of the ornaments by color. Look at this. Red is my absolute favorite color. And I love it. And I love the shimmer. And these here, oh my gosh, I am totally going to get these. These are little Christmas bulbs, but they look like Christmas bells. And they actually jingle. Oh man, and they have them in the small and the large size. Not bad. I'm gonna have to come back and get these before they're sold out. Those are going to be popular. Now I did get these little red snowflakes last year. I remember those. Those are nice. They have a lot of glitter on them, very pretty. I think these are new. I don't recall the red reindeer last year. Very, very nice. And then here's the traditional red and green. These are very pretty as well. Oh, look at that, all the polka dots and the candy cane stripes. Oh, and frosty. Christmas is my favorite holiday, in case you couldn't figure that out. Yeah, I love this. Look at that. What color are you going to decorate for Christmas? Have you even thought about it yet, seeing that school has just started back? This is a good time to start thinking about it so you can decide what you want to get and get it while the getting's good, and get it at your discount too, 50% off. And there's those same bells, but they're in red and green and gold. I love the Christmas plaid. That's very pretty too. Yeah, look at that. That is so gorgeous. Wow. This is always a very fun aisle. All the different picks. This is where you can really, really be creative. Yeah, look at this. You know, you can take those plain wreaths that they have, and you can use any of these picks to decorate the wreath the way you want, any color, any texture, with multiple styles. I mean, you can just get as creative as you can be. These are pretty too. These gold picks with they're like gold balls with the little, it's like a little frost on top. It's very pretty. And I don't know if the camera picks this up, but those shimmer so well. Very, very pretty. Some of these picks are new, or new to me. I don't recall seeing them last year. This one is beautiful. Look at that. Oh gosh, the glitter on the pine cones and the maple leaves, just really pretty. That would go really well in a wreath. And you can even use picks and floral arrangements just to kind of spice them up a little bit. You can be very creative with these. And they have so many different colors to choose from. Beautiful. Look at that. Very nice. Look at these little curly cues here. Oh my gosh. Very pretty. And these little Christmas bulbs are wrapped in sweaters. Look at that. That's pretty unique. Nice. Snow-covered pine cones. Oh my goodness. Yeah, those are nice. Now, I have a ton of these from previous years, but these are always very, very pretty. Because you have the little pine cone, the red berries, and the green leaf. It looks very good together. This is pretty. That would go beautifully on a wreath. Or even a nice table arrangement too. That would be nice. And look at these little antlers. If you like antlers in your decor, here you go. I think those are new. I don't recall seeing those from previous years. Just nice greenery to add to your arrangements to make them fuller. Very nice. More curly cues in black and white. Oh yeah. And over here, oh my gosh, look at these. These cute little velvet black balls. That would be really, really pretty to add to your decor if you plan on using a lot of black. Oh, that's nice. Oh, look at this buffalo check. Very nice. Oh gosh. Are these tiny little snowmen? Yep. And see, the decor over here looks more like the Candyland kind of playful colors. That would be great if you have, well, I was going to say if you have children, but even if you like that yourself, you could definitely just go crazy over here with all the different colors. They've got aqua blues and the that what I call Grinch green. And this is pretty. This shimmery kind of an aqua color. Very, very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. These are pretty. Real glittery red balls. Oh, look at that, look at that. That would look so pretty under the Christmas lights. Oh gosh, that would sparkle so nicely. And then we have pine cones over here, kind of covered in red with red glitter. More red glitter. Oh gosh, look at all this. And of course, red velvet curly cues. Now these trees are beautiful. I have these from last year, from 2 years ago actually. Very, very pretty. Okay, now you know I have to take these home, right? You know I have to take these home with me. These are adorable. Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Yep. May as well get in that basket. Didn't plan on it, but you're coming home with me. More gingerbread men. And this cute little frosty head. Very nice. I like his hat. Oh, so cute. Look at that. Too cute. And I think I have this snowman or one like it, but I don't know. I might want to get him too so he can have a brother. These are cute. Oh gosh. Oh, I love Christmas, man. And these are nice. Oh, one says peace. I think I saw one that said joy on it. And these cute lamp posts, oh gosh. I love the traditional Christmas colors. I love this. That deep green and the red. Oh gosh, it's just beautiful. And they had lots of lanterns out already. Very, very nice. They had the traditional looking lanterns, and then some that were just a little bit different with a lot of decor on top. They had some with candles, and of course more wreaths up here and more garlands to choose from. And they also had some lanterns that were battery operated, and you could just turn on the light on your own, more for indoor decorating, but just a wide variety to choose from. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to turn this thing on. The button was right, right beneath me. There we go. Very pretty, I like that. Really nice. Okay, everybody, so that's gonna do it for my impromptu sneak peek Christmas video. I was not planning on doing any recording today, but when I got to Hobby Lobby and I saw that they were having 50% off on all Christmas decor, and they haven't even finished unloading yet, I knew I had to go ahead and share this with everybody. And you can see just who made it into my basket. And the cashier said these were going to sell out fast. So just putting that out there. If you're interested, I wouldn't wait too long. I know it's only August, but things move fast. And you know, school's just started back, I know, but you can really expect to start seeing more Christmas items in stores beginning as early as next month. So anyway, there will definitely be some more Christmas videos coming out as we get a little bit later in the year and as more of the decor gets onto the shelves in the stores. But I just wanted to get this sneak peek in for you today so that you could see what's out there and know that, yes, it's 50% off already. So I hope you have enjoyed this video today. As always, take care and God bless.